All right, so I hope you got an A on the homework. So now let's go with the sixth consonant in lesson 4. What are they? I already have them on the board for you. What do we have here? We have k, l, m, n, ng, p, k, l, m, n, ng, p, k, l, m, n, ng, p. All right, those are the ones we're gonna see one by one now. With the first one, we have kai, kai, k, a, I, kai. We also have karate, the letter k, karate. We have kafu. You have all the words in your screen. Kafu. After that, after kafu, you have conseil. You're looking at it on your screen. Conseil. The next one is conseil. The next one is coup. And the next one is concours. Concours. Alright, those are the words. Now, with L, we have la ri. L, A, R, I. La ri. L'appli. L, A, P, L, I. L'appli. La caille. L, A, K, A, I. La caille. You have the other words like l'âge. You have li, which is also a pronoun, third person pronoun. Li. You have lis. Lis. L-I-S. Lis. You have lou. L-ou. Lou. Loué. L-ou-é. Loué. Loi. L-ou-a. Loi. All right. That's right here. With you have magasin. Magasin. After that, macaque. 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 Remember, when we come to that part, it's your responsibility to go to Google and then find the word. We have morceau. 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 Now the next one is n. 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 Ne. 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 Noir. N ou a. Noir. No. No. Now let's stop here. How many n do we have in that? It's only one. This one is not n. This one, it's one here. It's on. N, on, no. National. National. N. A. S. I. O. N. A. L. National. Nationalité. Nationalité. Nous. Nous. That was for n. This one here, ng, is the one letter you will not find in that many words in Haitian Creole. And usually you will see it at the end, mostly at the end. You find it in words like lung at the end, ng. One word we didn't have that example in front of you that just come up right now. Gung. Gung. Ling. Ling. Zing. Zing. Alright, you will not find it in too many words. Okay. And we're not done. We have pa pa. Pa pa. Pa pa. Pa pa. We have pâté. Pâté. We have pool. Oul. Oul. Pool. Pied. 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 Papier. Papier. Petite. Eat. Petite. Parler. Parler. Alright, so that is it for those 6 consonants. And I want you to repeat those words and then look them up on Google, see what they mean. If you have a dictionary that translates from Haitian Creole to English, you could also check that as well. Let's move on to the next slide.